Magic is fun for everyone. It captivates the imagination and brings a sense of wonder to all who experience it. For kids, magic is extra special. It opens up a world of possibilities and ignites their curiosity. It is a fun way to learn and grow. Through magic, children develop important skills while having a great time. Magic teaches kids to think creatively. They learn to solve problems and think outside the box. It helps them practice speaking skills. Performing in front of others builds their confidence and communication abilities. And it's a fantastic way to make new friends. Magic classes and performances bring children together, fostering social connections. Learning magic can boost a child's confidence. Each successful trick performed is a step towards greater self-assurance. When they perform a trick successfully, they feel proud. This sense of accomplishment encourages them to keep learning and improving. It encourages them to try new things and challenge themselves. Magic pushes them to explore their limits and strive for excellence. Most importantly, magic brings people together. It creates shared experiences that everyone can enjoy. It sparks joy and wonder in everyone. The amazement and laughter that magic brings are universal. Sharing magic with friends and family creates lasting memories. These moments of wonder and joy are cherished for a lifetime. This is a classic magic trick that has been performed for generations. It's easy to learn and always gets a good reaction from any audience, young or old. You just need a coin and a handkerchief. Any coin will work, whether it's a penny, nickel, or even a quarter. A colorful handkerchief makes the trick more visually appealing and adds a touch of flair to your performance. Show your audience the coin clearly, letting them see it from all angles. Place it in your open hand, making sure everyone can see what you're doing. Cover your hand with the handkerchief, making sure the coin is completely hidden from view. Here's the secret move. Secretly drop the coin into your lap without anyone noticing. This is the key to the trick. Make sure the audience doesn't see this crucial move. Distract them with a flourish or a joke. Now, with a dramatic gesture, make the coin disappear. Act as if you're performing a magical incantation. Reach under the handkerchief and show your hand empty. The coin is gone. Watch the amazement on their faces as they try to figure out where it went. This trick is a real mind reader. It's one of those tricks that will leave your audience in awe, making them believe you have some sort of supernatural ability to read their minds. Okay, not really, but it will seem like it. The beauty of this trick lies in its simplicity and the element of surprise. You need a deck of cards for this trick. Any deck will do. It doesn't have to be a special deck. Even an old, worn-out deck will work perfectly. Fan out the cards and ask a friend to pick a card. Don't look. It's crucial that you don't peek, as this will maintain the illusion of the trick. Let them show everyone else their card. This builds anticipation and excitement among the audience. While they are showing their card, secretly look at the bottom card of the deck. That's your secret card. This is the key to the entire trick. Now, have your friend put their card back in the deck. Make sure they place it somewhere in the middle. You can shuffle the cards a bit, but don't lose track of your secret card at the bottom. A light shuffle will do, just enough to make it seem like the cards are mixed. To finish the trick, slowly reveal the cards one by one. Take your time to build suspense. When you get to your secret card, you know the next card is your friend's card. This is the moment of truth. Say, "Is this your card?" They will be amazed. The look of astonishment on their faces will be priceless, and you'll have successfully pulled off the Guess My Card trick. Section 4. The rubber pencil illusion. This trick makes a pencil look like it's made of rubber. All you need is a pencil. Hold the pencil loosely near the eraser. Move your hand up and down quickly. This creates the illusion that the pencil is bending. With a little practice, you can make it look like the pencil is very wobbly. This trick is all about how you move your hand. The faster you move, the more dramatic the illusion. Section 5. Sharing the magic. Magic is even more fun when you share it with others. Performing these tricks for friends and family will make you a star. Remember to smile and have fun. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice your tricks, the smoother they will be. Don't be afraid to put your own spin on them. Magic is about creativity and imagination.